Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to half swipe on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. So half swipe means to view the chat without letting the other person know. To do so, first open the Snapchat app on your device and swipe right to view the chat page. Here, tap the icon of the chat you want to view and slide it to the right without letting go. Now you can view the chat without letting the other person know. Swipe it back to its original place. And it's like you never saw the message. And that's how you half swipe on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.